Good morning. I am finishing up this blog post, basically just putting the photos on it and turning it in. I have to get ready and film some like Instagram stories of 2 of the outfits and submit those, and then I am done turning in all my Rue 21 content. I need to clean up in here a little though. I use Aspire IQ for a lot of my stuff. This is like what the site looks like, and it makes it pretty easy to turn in all your things. My website has been acting crazy, which makes sense because it's been such a long time since I've like updated it. So this is my blog post. Trader Joe's sandwich, the toast, catching up on the toast while I upload blog post.
Also, I think it'd be really cute with like these white boots right here. Like I could wear it out in the world like that, but when it's too cold, I 100% would.
So I finished one. Now I'm gonna go change really quick and do the other, and then I'm done. And I did a TikTok today, so that's like everything on my to-do list. Let me grab my next outfit. Next, doing this story about this outfit. So next, I really wanted to show you this outfit because I am obsessed with these joggers. They are so comfortable, and I just like was not expecting it to be comfy. And I love this top. The red just like pops. So how was work?
We'll be home.
Hey, give me the other half of the sandwich. Oh.
No, it's in there.
No, I meant the half of the half.
No.
Yes, Matt, you're gonna spoil your dinner.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
That's bullshit. Give me a bite. One more bite.
No.
Give me a bite. I'm gonna eat the other half.
This is one of our favorite Trader Joe's meals. Beef fried rice with kimchi. Yum. Yum. Do you like it? Good afternoon. I just woke up not too long ago, and this place is kind of a wreck. I'm gonna eat lunch really quick, and then on the agenda today is really to clean up this whole place and get my clothes in order. I don't know if I'll finish my clothes, but I'm gonna at least start it today. Everything's been approved by the brand. I have to post for Rue 21, but it's a Sunday, so I'm gonna post later in the day because that is what is always better for me on Sundays. For lunch, Matt brought me a lunch home yesterday. Apparently at his work they gave him an extra like lunch, and he said it was so good, so he's like, you gotta try it. So we got some things to do today. We gotta clean, get organized, do some work. Sounds like a very productive Sunday. It is so cold, like I'm freezing in here. In California, no one really uses like central heat or air. We have a space heater in here and it works really well. The remote, like, it's not, ugh. The batteries must be dead. I got it to work by just like messing around with the batteries. I've been wanting to watch this tiny pretty thing. It's about like dance. I love dance, even though I never was a dancer besides whenever I was really young. I'm excited about this sandwich. Matt was like, we need to remember the name of this place. Yum! Okay, so I got that done. Much better. So now for this, Matt's off work tomorrow and we don't really have any plans. I say we make that our thing that we're gonna do tomorrow together because I'm a little overwhelmed to do it by myself because it's both of our clothes. Tonight for dinner, I think I'm gonna do broccoli cheddar soup and some salad.
On the COVID floor today.
Oh yeah?
I was like break nurse for a little bit too.
I kind of have a headache, but I'm going to start dinner, I guess, because Matt's about to be home. We did decide we're gonna have some wine tonight. Woo! Want me to show you what's for dinner tonight? Trader Joe's for the win, of course. Just like a buffalo ranch chopped salad. I think it's gonna be really good. And then this. I have a headache, like I said. Ouch. I think it's from being on the computer all day. What you didn't see was me setting all that stuff live, because obviously I can't really just me like on the phone and the computer. It always takes way longer than I think. Matt just got home from work.
So you have way too many clothes though.
I still have 3 bags of clothes in the car and he just brought one in, and plus I have all that stuff.
You didn't even know.
This is half your stuff too in there though.
Oh, I can't even get to my stuff because of your stuff.
Tomorrow is the day of reckoning.
It is? No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not the day of reckoning one.
Why?
It's the day
You
of
got
reckoning.
plans?
Yeah, I do.
What's the plans you have?
I gotta get my golf clubs from the mail. Try to get on a course.
No, they come in on Tuesday, I thought.
No, they come in tomorrow. And we gotta do some like mail from your dad's gift shop. Let's dig in.
JoJo cookies from Trader Joe's. This one's so good. It's like milk chocolate, peanut butter. I wanted to save them and do like a full video of us trying all the Trader Joe's, which I'm still going to do, but we can't help but eat these. I just want to say that this is the best episode of The Office, hands down. Don't you think?
It's a good one, man.
I'm joking. I'm sorry she's not my type. So no, we haven't got a choice.